Alright guys, so I'm back again with part 2 of the maiden of the F-15 Eagle. You can see it's all glued back together. It's all glued back together and everything. So it's gonna be the second maiden. Hopefully it'll be more successful than the first. I have safe on, so hopefully I've learned from my first lesson of the maiden flight, the first maiden flight. And hopefully this one will be more successful. Alright. Let's get into it.
Where the
Yeah, guys, I think this was a little bit more successful. As you see, it came in pretty smooth, but the nose cone piece of it broke off. But there's also spare parts for this. One thing I must say about this jet is fast. It's fast. I mean, like turbo fast. It's super fast. If it wasn't for the AX, 3X and safe, I don't know if I could handle this, but it's extremely fast. But good thing is I have my Spectrum receiver. You know, like I said, I waited to get one of these to fly this F-15 Eagle, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty decent. I was flying it over the lake, over the water, so I was hoping not to do a nosedive in the lake, but you know, thank God that didn't happen. But all I can say is it's a nice, super fun jet, and the AX, 3X safe is still on. So I'm very happy and very pleased with this second maiden, and hopefully we're gonna be buying another nose cone and doing some touch-up. Right now it's a fugly jet. It's not a nice, good-looking jet right now. It's still good, but everything, but because of the first crash, and I have to glue it back together. But all I want to say is I did get it up again. It was smooth, nice and smooth, and I was able to bring it in without any issues. Besides a piece of the nose cone breaking off, but you can always replace this. So thanks for tuning in again, guys. I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Take care.